Welcome to Lake Lurker Fishing. Welcome to Lake Albemarle, Albemarle County, Virginia. Outfit's on point. We got the new fishing hat. It's about to be a good day. Had to spice it up a little bit. And what better way to spice it than to look this cool? Haven't fished this place in a couple years. Small little lake, Albemarle County, off of Garth Road in between Crozet and Charlottesville. Lake Albemarle. Let's get right into it. Ned rig. Let's see what we got. It's been a while since I fished here last, but I remember there being like a brush pile around here somewhere, and I was out here with my friend Hunter and we were throwing jerkbaits, and we didn't catch anything big that day, but no kidding, it was probably 50 fish each. We counted and it was right around 100. Pulling through some sort of cover here. There's still grass. Interesting. I don't know what to think of that right now. Especially in this lake. Like, everything's supposed to die early in this lake. I'll make a weird cast. That kind of felt like a bite right there. Oh, not a monster, but we'll take it. Quick release. Hey. First fish of the day. First fish of the day in the big hat. It's probably a 9. He's right at 10. Can you see that? Can you see that? He's right at 10. All right, dude. Go ahead. I'm gonna throw the Riverwise Wacky. We might be in really shallow water. I'm not sure. Not a monster, but we'll take it. That fish is in like 6 inches of water. It's actually not bad at all. It's definitely a keeper. Probably right at 12. Oh, 13. There's other anglers here, and I know they can see the big hat. We'll Just show them the big fish. We're going with the Vision 110 for now. Let's see if we can pull some fish in here. Jerkbaits have that pull power that maybe nothing else besides maybe a big swim bait does. It's hard though because we got flat water and blue skies, so that the jerkbait, yeah, it's not really designed for these conditions, but we're gonna try it. There we go. Nothing big, but we'll take it. Oh, that might be a keeper. Oh, it might be a keeper. That might be right at 12. $110, baby. See what we got here. Are you a 12? Nope. 11. That's okay. Nice. Alright. Jerkbait time. It's time to shine jerkbait. There's other people here in a boat. I can see them from here. They all have regular sized hats. Not a threat at all. We're just going to be out here catching 11 inchers. Oh, there we go. That was a good hit. Oh yeah. Yep. Not too big, but I think that's a 12. Ow. Stop. Dude, you spiked me. Stop. Ow, that freaking hurt, dude. It's fair though. I mean, I got you first. 12. Nice. We'll take that. It's 12 inches. Heck yeah. Smile for the camera. Cool. Not a keeper, but we'll take it. Special edition Lake Liquor Monster. There's one. I don't think it's a big one. Oh yeah, that might be the fish of the day. Yeah. And I can't That's probably, I don't know, 12, 13. Older still. 12 and a half. Bud, close your mouth, please. Yeah, 12 and a half. Let's go. Nice. One. Oh man, I don't think that's 12, but we'll take it. Oh buddy, that's a tough set. Oh, you're good, you're good. Oh. Swinging mega bass hooks, not good, not good. Alright, you're probably like a 10 and a half. Come here. Yep, 10 and a half. Not a big one, but it's a fish. Oh, take it. It's probably a 10-pounder monster. Where's that big hit? Oh, he's on. I don't think it's a monster by any means, but here at Lake Clark we're fishing. You know what we catch. Oh my gosh. Oh, I lost it. That was an enormous crappie. Holy moly. All right. It is getting piping hot. These are the water conditions. That kind of sun, these kind of conditions, this bite is dying down here at Lake Albemarle. Had 3 boats in front of me go up and fish that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn up, make my way back towards the ramp. And I'm gonna fish that spot where I was catching them on a jerkbait again. But I just went and zigzagged, boing, 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 up from bank to bank, making casts with the wacky, the Ned rig, the jerkbait. And I tried the Hellraiser a couple times, but there's too much stuff on top of the water by the banks to throw top water right now. So that's the plan. Oh shit. There's a crappie. All right, gang, that wraps up Lake Albemarle. Today was fun, short day. It's way too hot for November, so I don't think the fish are gonna bite right now. That's why I would probably kill it in the morning. Yeah, Lake Albemarle, 2 thumbs up. I wasn't expecting to catch 5 keepers here, but I'm really surprised I caught the 1 or 2. I forget how many I caught, but I'm really surprised I caught some keepers. So yeah, awesome day. Pretty cool to have global warming and 80-degree days in the middle of November. Pretty cool that my kids will probably be able to have like 120-degree days at this time of year. All right, see you next episode.